What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a computer program that can think on its own better than humans. It is a super technique to capture the activity of an individual person. We use Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa are some example of artificial intelligence. AI is one of the biggest scientific revolution in the 20th century. They are continuously monitoring our web searching and shows relevant results and advertisements related to our surf history. According to great scientist Sir Stephen Hawking, AI could end mankind soon. Those who understand artificial intelligence properly has said such a statement many times. Artificial intelligence has strong algorithm to detect and solve query of a person. Basically, AI is a set of many complex algorithm that revolves around unambiguous instructions. It is believed by knowledgeable people that it can be a dangerous technology for humans.